welcome back to Miri and Dika Multiplicity channel, where you can find your best trending braids and non-braid hairstyles. There are styles you can't overlook, and that is these ones you are watching with me. Let's dive into it. Wow. Another beautiful styles to transform your look, to make you look so youthful this time we are. Okay.
If you watch till now, I really appreciate. Thank you so much for watching this beautiful summer creative braided up to ponytail gel with me. Keep watching.
Wow. So